Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You begin by opening Logic Pro and loading the noisy file. Make a duplicate track immediately so you can compare. Once done, enable input monitoring and set the sample rate to match your session to avoid artifacts. Make sure to record or select a section with only background noise. This will be your noise profile. You're acting quickly. Duplicate, isolate noise-only audio, and check levels so peaks don't clip. These steps set the stage for precise reduction without losing the core signal. Next, you build a processing chain to attack the noise. Start with a noise gate to cut room tone between phrases. Set attack fast, release medium, and threshold so words stay natural. Then add channel EQ. Apply a high pass at about 80 to 120 Hz to remove rumble and sweep a narrow notch to tame resonant peaks. Finally, insert Logic's denoiser or a third-party adaptive plugin. Lower the reduction until hiss drops, but speech remains crisp. Tweak in small increments while looping the problematic section. To finish, you refine dynamics and verify quality. Apply gentle automation to boost quiet words if processing made them thin. Use small moves, not extremes. Once satisfied, a /b the cleaned copy against the original to ensure clarity without artifacts. Then bounce a test export at the session's sample rate, 16-bit or 24-bit depending on delivery. If you hear warbling or metallic artifacts, reduce denoiser amount. Reopen EQ to restore warmth and rerun the process. Small adjustments usually fix most problems.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.